If Xbox Game Bar is not opening in Windows 11 or Windows 10, or Windows plus G does nothing, this video will show you how to fix it step by step. Let's start. Step 1. Repair and reset. Xbox Game Bar. First, press Windows Search and open Settings. Go to Apps, then click Installed Apps. At the top, search for Xbox Game Bar. If you do not see it, scroll down and open System Components. Once you find Xbox Game Bar, click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Terminate. After that, click Repair, then click Reset and Confirm. Now try pressing Windows key plus G and check if Game Bar opens. Step 2. Reinstall Xbox Game Bar. Using PowerShell. If it still does not work, press Windows Search, type PowerShell. Right-click Windows PowerShell and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now paste this command and press Enter. Get-appxpackage Microsoft.XboxGamingOverlay. Remove-AppxPackage. This will remove Xbox Game Bar from your system. Next, paste this command and press Enter. Start MS Windows Store, PDP, productid win. 9NZKPSTSNW4P. The Microsoft Store will open. Install Xbox Game Bar again and accept any prompts. Final step, restart your PC. After restart, press Windows key plus G. Xbox Game Bar should now open and work normally. That's it. If this fixed the problem, like the video and subscribe for more Windows and PC fixes. Thanks for watching.
Off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.